Hello everyone. Welcome back to Haddon Time, Modding Time. Let's see. Dragon Star, thank you very much for the head pats. Oh, there we go. Gotta click off of OBS. Okay. Close that. So, we're going to start off with creating a custom weapon following this guide by Mashu. Let's see. I have opened up a few of the things that we needed already. Got a blender going. Okay, let's see. Music is also going already, so that's good. Let me know if it's too loud or too quiet or stuff. Good night. Good luck on my stream. Aw, thank you very much. You have a good night. Alternatively, ooh, they made a video tutorial. I think I'm going to try and follow the written tutorial first. We'll click over there if I need to need clarification on things. Okay, got all of that out. Except for the text editor, but that's fine. We have the modding tools I already made. We just shoot that. We have weapon test already open. And we want to get a model from this over here. Yeah, it looks like it doesn't really matter what it is. Let's go find a weapon. What do we want to make here? Hello, Game Air. Thanks for the lurk, Dragon. Hope everyone's having a lovely Friday. Me too. What do we want to make? Is that all it? Only 59 results. What if I say sword? That gives us some more options. We'll have to get specific about it. They're using a flower lipstick. Blade. Oh, we'll go back to the swords. Let's see. Let's go with I feel it's a bit complex for us. Let's go with Goddess Sword, maybe? Yeah. Let's do that one. Download that. Okay. And from there, I shouldn't directly add it. Oh wait, this is Okay. So import it into Blender and add a bone. Let me open that. Get rid of all of this stuff. Okay. Opening my downloads in another window. Let's extract that. And what do we want to add here? Just all of it. Import wavefront object. So this one, I'm just dragging it in and dropping. Does that work, or do I need to actually? Okay, let's do the actual import. This one. Oops. Where is it? Into our downloads. There we go, that one. And then object file here. Okay, there it is. After that, resize it. And if your model is in multiple pieces, is it? It appears to be in one piece. Pretty sure. And they just want us to join everything if it is. Okay. So scale it down, rotate it. Facing, or which way is forwards? I guess for theirs it doesn't really matter. We'll figure it out once we actually put it in there, I guess. Yeah, just get it facing upwards, add a bone to it. Let's rotate that. Rotate on the Z 90 degrees. And here we want to rotate. Right? There we go. And also, I think we'll also put it here. Yep. Okay. And that looks good. I'll just save that while we have it. It's gonna be a Blender stream, partially Blender, since we need to use it to get the models set up. and partially the editor. Okay, add the bone, set it up with automatic weights. So we go add that. We want an armature. What is it? We'll probably below everything because this thing is huge right now. Let's set your origin to 3D Courser. I can scale it down like that. That. Oh my gosh. I've gotten used to the Unreal Engine controls for moving us around. Okay. Where's the armature? Hello? Add single bone. Where are you? Already running into problems. Is it because this thing is... Oh yeah, there it is. The sword is still way too scaled up. Okay, let's shrink that into an itty bitty sword. Move. There we go. You know when the controls aren't standardized. Just click this. And we'll scale this up. Okay, that looks weird. I think for bones we just do that. Make the sword smaller. Or does it need to be? Because like, where's... What have you gotten here? It's basically... Wait, what? Where are you putting that? Right on the top. Okay. Interesting. Have they put the bone through like the entire thing or just at the top there? It looks like it's basically just at the top. Maybe it doesn't matter. We'll put it in the same general location just in case. Right around there. Yep, this is fine. That single bone. I think it's fine. Yeah, there's only one bone in here. Armature bone. And automatic weights. Mesh, then bone, then control P. Control automatic. And we can move to exporting. You need to export into an FBX format. Okay, set smoothing to edge and uncheck add leaf bones. Got it. export. Do, 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 do. FBX. Set the smoothing. Let's call it Sword FBX. Or let's actually Goddess Sword FBX. And then geometry and armature. We want smoothing as edge and no leaf bones. And export that. There we go. Now we head over to the editor and import all of this. Okay. File, import, no, we go to the content browser, then import. From there, locate this, open that. Package, new, what new package? Custom. Just name it something. Person lipstick. Just no spaces, a special here. Press OK. Sure. Has no vertex influences. Let's say OK for now. I hope that doesn't mess with anything. Oh, it does have 2 bones. Interesting. No, that's normal. This thing also has 2. Right-click, edit using Atom Set Viewer. Edit using that. Okay. Now that we're in the viewer, add a socket for the hook shot, otherwise there won't be any chain. Click the button that looks like this. Let me make that smaller. Shrink the editor down. And here we go. Now we can see both of these things. Hello, Primi. Good to see ya. Controls. Okay, we wanted to socket manager. Okay. Create new socket. Phone name from armature. Okay. Socket name. Shot point, because that is what it is. Okay. and it should be at the top like that. What if it isn't? Relative scale, rotation, relative location. You don't want the hook shot to just be a stick. Replace line 10. Okay, for now, we want this. I probably shouldn't mess with these. Maybe I need to shrink the object instead. Maybe it's just too big. I can change the relative location of it. If we like make this go up. Yeah, we're on the z-axis. Yep. Yeah, we can change that. How far is that? 50, 55. That's about it. You don't want it to be just thick. You can replace line 10 of the Steam name, weapon you see in the scripting section. Where is that? Okay, that's the socket done. I think. Yeah, that stays there, so I think that's saved. Hello Sam, good to see ya. How are you doing? Just woke up. Oh, thank you very much for the stretch time. Gosh. Oh, forgetting that's the one that I don't have a button for. In the scripting section, where's the scripting section? You're like section groups, infantry, notify, cloth. Those look neat. Scripting. I don't have experience with our script. Do not click yet. Should content folder modify info int okay. Is umbrella. Okay, looks like this is for later. Importing into editor. We want to create the material now. Yeah, it looks like this is for when we actually get to the scripting section. Need to add the material now. Hopefully your model came with the texture. Close this. Okay, import, navigate to the texture. of it. Okay. Go over to here, import the downloaded here and the PNG of it. Oh, there's two different ones. Let's open both of them. One is for the blade and one is for the grip. Okay. Okay. Alright, that's those. If it uses multiple textures, you need to go to the Discord for help. Oh no. Let's just do this with the one. Probably the blade texture. Okay, back to this. Import. Save every now and then. Okay, creating the material. Find the material the umbrella uses. All assets. Yep. Search for umbrella. Click the big all assets button. Capital umbrella? No. Oh. Okay. So if I click one of these, then we want to look through the entire Hat in Time game or package. We want to find the umbrella E2. And click this one. Can't just copy paste from different packages. You need to right click, open with the material editor. Material editor, and once it opens it should look something like this. There it is. Okay. There we go. Now back to the content browser. Select new material. Navigate to here. Go to mod name. Go over here. Textures. Remove the search. Like that. Or this. I mean, this looks more like the one that we need. That's fine. We're experimenting. Right click on a blank area. Oh, okay. New material, new material. There we go. Weapon name underscore method name or whatever. Word. Add this word. Material. Okay. And that opens this. Move it and the umbrella side by side so we can see better. Let's shrink that down a little. This one will go on the top. And like that. That's fine. Let me shrink that down a little too. There we go. Okay, scroll wheel to zoom in and out. Already figured that. We want to select everything except the first part on the left. Control, click, drag. Okay. Control, go. That's all copied. Or, well, that's all selected. Where to go? No. Okay, let's just click Control C. Seriously, where to go? No. Can I like reset the zoom somewhere? Plane. There we go. Let me do that again. Select, Control C. And everything is definitely selected. Keep scrolling, trying to get this window to go down. But I have not selected it. Okay. Go somewhere else, go over here. On this one. Click over here. Control V to paste. And don't really need that anymore. So let's zoom this in. Move this over. So I don't need so much screen space to look at it. And start connecting things. Oh no, we go down here first. Under material, choose opaque. Let me bring that up. Want to opaque, the lighting to be on. Those are already set. Yep. Two-sided. Yes. Yeah. That's it. Oh, we need to change it to masked and then PBR. That'll load masked. And then go to usage with skeletal mesh. Tick that box. Wait for it to load. highlighted your message. Ukrainian people endured years of oppression, and today, exactly 1 year of full-scale invasion on their land. Well, still stay strong. To educate others on how important it is to have a properly functioning democracy, and what happens if it is not. If you can support Ukrainian people, definitely find a way to. And I can't read that last part, but yeah. If you can, find any way to support. Optional drag workspace, give it material. That's in there. Preview. Add preview and mesh, see what it looks like when finished. This is optional. Go to content browser, click copy full name. Material interface, preview mesh. It doesn't have. I need to go to the content browser and is that? That it? Which? Click on the weapons model. Okay. Here. We wanna right click this. Copy full name to clipboard. And then back to the properties. We wanna paste that in here. Now we gotta connect everything. Okay, now we connect everything. Here we go. How do I... Oh. There we go. It looks... okay. Diffuse to diffuse. It looks like everything except the blade already has the material. Interesting. Here we go. Want it to look like this when we're done. Let's shrink that back down. Give me some room to look at this. Okay, emissive to emissive. Move that over a little bit. Take mask to alpha. Transmission mask to transmission mask. Color to color. Normals to normal. World position offset to the vertex shader. Metallic to metallic and roughness to roughness. Okay, that's all connected up. But wait, still using the umbrella texture. I mean, it doesn't look like it is, but we're fine. right click to select it. Click on the texture that's highlighted yellow and do something. So it's highlighted yellow like that. Click on the green arrow to change it. That would be this one. We selected static mesh. Okay. So if we go here, and which one am I supposed to use? This one? Texture imported. They imported a few of them. Click, say, this one. This is a PNG, right? For the instructions, 1 to 10. Sampler. What? We'll just try with that one. Then click the green arrow. Should lag a bit. Okay, that the handle is already textured, so maybe we do this. Is this working? I don't know. Does it need to be saved first? I'm going to save that. Go back here. Select you. Green arrow. No. Oh, down there. Okay, texture. And here we go. So what was this doing? I have no idea. Click that. There we go. It is not looking like it's doing anything. Diffuse, none, lipstick. Yeah, it doesn't. Okay, it doesn't look like it did anything here either. We need to click that arrow or the check mark. That'll load. That'll hopefully load. Oh, there we go. Nice. I don't know what it's doing with the handle, but as long as everything else works, I'm totally fine with that. Now we are finished with the material. Close the material editors now, we don't need them. Anim set viewer. We can close that. And also this. And now we have this done. Got a sort of material. Right click your model, open it in the viewer again. Yep. click on the green arrow. I feel like I've done a lot of unnecessary things. Maybe it's just this model in particular, but like the texture was already there. We'll do these anyway. What green arrow? Close the material editors. Back in this, click on the green arrow as you did before on material 0, and your model shall now have this. And looks like they were trying to preview a picture but did not manage to get the full thing in. Okay, let me go back up, and they had a video over here. Let me scroll through that. Go back to where we're at right now. That's done, that's done. We've connected the materials. And then after that, you, what did you do? You didn't. Okay, that's. Nope. I think I can just move on since that's already there. I feel like I need to do this again, but with a different thing. I just put that down there. Scripting. Material. Okay. What is this? Okay. Down in the skeletal mesh. I really should look at those pictures more. Down here, go to the material. Right now, it's using both of these, which is what we want them to use. Interesting. That was there. This one's here. Yeah, looks like it managed the materials itself already. What happens if we do click that Swordbeat demo? What happens if we do click this one to put there? Huh. Interesting. A lot more like orangey. I think that might be the reflection though. What if we go back, putting this here? Yeah, that's normal again. Oh, that's not like the reflection, that's just the shadow area. It's kind of interesting. Why it's like orange. Let's put that back there. If I go over here, oops, what did double clicking do? Okay, just opened this. Normal, emissive, roughness. can't zoom in any further. 1, 2, blurb. Can I edit that? Yeah, this is stuff you'd have to just... what happens if I put this at like 1? Nothing? Oh, it's loading something. Well, that's like a transparency. Or not? No idea. Or that's like a transition thing. I shouldn't connect these randomly. Break that. Close that. Nah. And this is... want to zoom out. Want to, rotate. This is fine. So material is already set up, that's that. And if I need to set up the material, then we could do what we just did. Save. And go to the mod manager, which is this one. Let's just shrink that, and also this. Oh, thank you very much for the hydrate. It's something that's not going to interfere with my hotkeys. There we go. Now open to the mod folder, content folder. We want to browse the mod. And in here, there will be a content folder. Which will be... No, we want to go to the mod info file. Create a classes and a localization folder. So new folder, classes, and localization. Create an int folder in the localization folder, int, and in that one create a text file, text document, name it to collectibles, int .int. Yep. Make sure I spelled that correctly. Liz. Yep. Okay. File extensions on. Yep, that's an int file. Go to the classes we created earlier. Okay. and 2 text documents. Name it something like theme name, mod weapon name, mod weapon name as sword UC and UC dot UC. Yes. Wait, we need 2 of them. Oh, one of them is weapon name and then weapon. Piece. That we're going to rename this one weapon name got a sword and then underscore just weapon, because that is what it is going to be. And also remove that copy. Okay. Open up the Steam name mod weapon name. You see, open up this one first, and let's open it with open with code. There we go. And yep. Do that. Okay. Take this. And let's write this out instead of just copy pasting it. Try and understand. Our class is person mod lipstick. Open up. Copy paste that online. Yeah, we want to replace person mod lipstick with our file name. With the name of the other file, which was like mod got a sword. Okay. Underscore mod underscore this sword extends game mod config the mods and that, and once the mod loads, on mod loaded, we want a function that spawns the hook actor spawn class of @kid underscore player, and class hat player and then actual hat player. That. Okay, that's definitely how that's written. Yep. Except I accidentally put the semicolon in the wrong place. Give item is true. We want them to immediately have that. And new function when hooked after spawn. Object new after name identifier on hooked actor spawn. That's, I guess this is for when we're actually using the hook shot. If identifier equals hat player, we want to give item true and end that. Oh, whoops. Give item will be okay. If it is B, then add player controller. Add player controller. Get a local player controller. Dot get loadout. Dot add backpack. Backpack. Okay, so this is the function to actually give us the item. Yeah. We find the hat kid. We get their loadout. We add to their backpack, which is just the inventory. Class hat loadout. Dot static dot make loadout item underscore mod underscore, let's got a sword. Sword. Wait, I did that right. Class, loadout item. We need to put class before this. And then surround this with whoops. Surround this in the quotation. I think, yep. And then that's set to false. I think I missed a bracket somewhere. Get local player controller. Ah, there we go. This one, that needs to go there, and we delete that one. Hello, Slexin. Good to see ya. Hope you're doing well. Doing alright. That's good to see. Dun, dun, dun. That's that. FB. And if not B, false. We want basically the same thing, but without the false. Just that. There we go. Okay. Player controller. Get local player controller. Get loadout. Add backpack. Class. Add loadout. And if else, do all this except not false. And event on mod unload. Unloaded. We want give item equal false, or to become false. Okay, and all of those named things are done. Okay. There's mod. On mod loaded. Give item true. And this. Okay, that was. This is give item. This is the actual function for give item. That is saved. So now we need to open this one. This. No, wait, we need to open the other one. And then we need to this script. As person lipstick weapon extends. Is the name of the file. Weapon. This time we just want the name of this specific file. Lilac. Goddess. Underscore weapon. Goddess. Sword. Then weapon. And then we want that to extend from the umbrella, open umbrella, default properties. Okay. If you want a shaft mesh, okay, let's might take a bit. Begin. Object. Name. Mesh 0. Skeletal mesh is the skeletal mesh, and then person lipstick dot lipstick. That's like the object. 6. You need full name of the mesh. It's the same as what preview meshes use for your material. So to get that, we needed to full name of the model you imported. Where is it? The editor is right here. And we wanted this one. Copy name to clipboard. Skeletal mesh. Here we go. There. Yeah, that's custom password. Materials 0 equals none. No semicolon there. Interesting. Open mesh. Also equal to none. Shaft mesh equals to none. Are we sure we don't need this here? No, we trust the code. And object. And object. But object. Under shaft mesh, you'll need to create a new object add the full name of the mesh. In my case, uncomment the next part of the script by removing slash if you want to do so. Haven't tested it. Okay, so we can basically skip all of this. I'm still going to copy it over though. Leave that as just a comment. And then here, icon is also optional. Okay, let's continue this. Co-op texture is none. We do not want it to... I'm not sure what that does. Maybe like share with the co-op. No, on the umbrella. We don't want to comment that out. What should the icon equals texture 2D texture name. Actually, we probably do want to comment it out for now until figure out where to put that. So texture 2D, and then the name of the texture. And just placeholder texture name. And that'll stay commented out for now. Its sound is copy that. So I think we could preview some sounds. Sound cues for everywhere, and then sound effects. KKQ, soda can. Baseball. Oh, what the? Hello, Tawny. Thank you very much for the rate of 64. Oh my gosh. That's a lot. And oh, I can like barely see your name. It is black on black. Hello, Xmetrics. Raid. Hello, Tawny. Hello, Time Enjoyed. Nova Horizon. Oh. Welcome, welcome all of you. If you're new here, I am Lilac Koneko. Call me Lilac. I game, I do creative stuff, art. Right now I'm playing around with the Hat in Time editor and trying to set up some custom mod stuff by following a quick tutorial over here. I'm trying to make a custom weapon for a game called Hat in Time, which I am currently a little obsessed with. Who else is here? Hello, welcome, non-essential fish. I love your name. Hello, Liben. Hello, Jamesy Cakes. Hopefully I haven't missed anyone. Banana's code. I am cat with wings, yes. Nope. Don't mind the background noises. Thank you very much for the follow, Tani. And also thank you very much for the raid. Oh my gosh. Let me, what was I doing? Oh, right. I was looking for sound cues to add to my weapon. That maybe I'll just stick with the regular baseball hit, though. Patty cake hit cue. Nope. Bell hit. Metal. Oh. Yeah, okay, we'll stick with this one. Copy that to... Where is it? Here it is. We've just imported the object and stuff, and now we're adding the code to actually implement it into the game. Yeah, that was already... Paste, sound cue, general hit. Yep. That was already there. Okay. Here we go. Weapon name was lipstick, weapon description. What do we want to put here? 16. Name it something unique like what I've done. Don't just name it the same. Might mess with the collectibles. Okay. Little let's call it weapon. And then weapon description is weapon description. I know I can just copy paste, but I want to actually type it in, try and learn what these things do. Nope. Level. And then a description to the end of that is umbrella weapon. It is not the basic umbrella weapon, so that is false. And then we have a new function on attack particle. We want it to use the particle system component. Yes. And we want to use that to set the material parameter as material material instance constant. And this one is something we'll find in the content browser. Okay, if I search this here, tax swing, which is that. Oh, it's because I'm in sound cues. Material instance constant. Okay. Can I like play it? What happens if I drag that into here? I can't. Kind of. Okay, then just to be safe, we'll use the same thing that they're using. But if I do, costume material. That is a constant. If I remove that, then okay. Interesting. Imposter material. Errands. Let's go back to the code. Set material right here. Remove that, and I think, yep, that's the full line. Oh, misspelled this function. There we go. Set the particle material to whatever that is. Line 11. Yeah, okay, that was that was the co-op texture one. Change it for Bokid. No, we don't want to manage Bokid's textures as well. Okay, here we go. This is the HUD icon one. You can import a preview image into the editor, copy its full name, and paste. So let's say we have umbrella item icon. Okay. Of course. Can't find it in Explore. or it is there. So how about I go over here. Find in texture stats browser. Show only textures. I'm pretty sure this is the icon, or actually maybe it's that one. Load item icons, large. It's one of these. But either way, if I want to make a custom icon, then hold on, let me turn this off for a second. Blep. And open that. Over here. There we go. Open up some paint.net. This size is 256. Okay. I go here, image canvas size 256 by 256. There we go. And it is transparent. Let's create a layer. What does the goddess sword look like again? We have it right here. Let's just really quick copy a screenshot of that. Go to here. Paste that in to canvas size. Shrink. And kind of squish it a little. Yeah, that's fine. Or actually, maybe... I don't know if this thing has a mirror option. We'll just make it like this. Add a quick layer. Time for bed. Alrighty. Thank you very much for the raid once again and for the follow. Have a good sleep. Bye bye. create a line. Zoom into that. And just make a really quick copy of this. Yeah. I'll do an outline, then I'll remove the background. And I think I'll leave the inside of it alone. Now that line did not. There we go. That's better. There we go. Close enough. One there. One here. Okay. One going across this way. And then out in back here. Line right there. Let's split this one into two, actually. Have it kind of go out then in. And yep, that looks good. Now zoom out. A little wonky, but it works. Let's go here. Magic, select everything outside of this. Increase the tolerance a little. Switch layer and cut everything on the outside there. And do I want to make this a different color? Oop. No, we'll leave that as black. Remove that. Let's save as. It's not a Blender file. And let's just make a new folder. What's a naming convention for this? Want to use cancel that. Item icon underscore got a sword. Okay. Save as. We'll do it as item icon underscore the name of our weapon, which is the Goddess Sword. And we'll save that as a PNG. Yep, that's fine. Flatten, okay. And oh, that was all lowercase. Oh well, doesn't matter. And I think that should be good. And we want to import that into this right here. Go out here, go to where I saved that image, load it in. Oh, actually I can rename it from here. Let me do that. Item icon. This Lord. No capitals. Yep. Save that. Oh, that. That texture looks a bit messed up. I definitely made it so that it was fully transparent, right? It should have been. Okay, we'll just keep going, see how it looks. And we want, we'll save that. Okay, optional image. When you do decide, remove those classes. Okay. So we want this to be textured 2D. At least I think that's right. Import a preview image, copy the full name and paste. Okay. So copy the name of this, copy full name, and paste that. Yep, that is a texture 2D. We'll remove that, remove the extra quotation there. Item, icon, yep, okay. That should be done. 16 and 17 already did that. Weapon lipstick, name and description, yep. And we want to save all of this. Okay. That should be everything. And we want to go to collectibles and file that we made earlier. There we go. Over here. What was it? Localization. Right here. Open in code. And for that we want to write square bracket Weapons. Weapon. Hold on. Grab this. You want to copy this, paste it there, equal, and then it'll show up as that, and then the description, we want it to be from Large Legend of Zelda. Make sure I haven't previously misspelled anything. Yeah, let's type out the full thing. Specifically Skyward Sword. Okay, and that is that. I do name, create a description, Control S, go back to the mod manager, which is right. Okay, let's just save all of these and then minimize everything. Here we go. So this is the mod manager. Let's save the changes. Click box, which looks like the command prompt. Once you're there, click refresh. Okay. 1, 2, 3. And compile scripts. That's going to open up this thing and it'll go through all of the stuff. Wait for it to give us a success. I don't want to cook and test. Oh, failure. What happened? Bad class definition. I got a sword weapon. Okay, we have errors in Lilac Goddess Weapon UC. Let's open this again. Something in here is wrong. Bad class definition. Class definition right here. So what was wrong here? See Visual Studio. Yep, we're going all over the place. Welcome back, Sam. And thank you for redeeming the hydrates from Gamer and Stretch from Sam. Let me do. Let me click onto something else. There we go. And hydrate. And stretch. I I named this stream Learning to Make Custom Hat Flares and Weapons, but I think I might run out of time to do the hat flare. Okay, let's keep going. That class definition 13133. Can you give me like an actual line where it is? No. Let's move that over and double check up here. Person, lipstick, weapon. Score weapon. Extends. Oh, found it. I forgot the S on extend. Oh, yeah. Thank you, Sam. So I looked over after I figured that out. Okay. So that's saved. Let's reduce that, close this, refresh, and then compile again. Yep. Gotta pay attention, make sure everything is the right color. Oh, there we go. We've got a couple warnings. None. Invalid property defaults. It gave me those, so maybe both of these need to not have that. Refresh, save that, compile. Will that give me errors now? Nope. Now it's unknown property defaults. Theoretically that should still work since it's not actual errors, but oh. No, that's the mesh name. I copied that straight from the editor, so it should be right. Tails, none, open mesh, chef mesh. And apparently there's something invalid with this, the weapon description. Here we go. I was missing that. So I think that'll fix that. There's still something with these though. object name, name mesh 0, skeletal mesh. Yeah, okay, that's the description warning gone. Unknown property in defaults. Is it just that I don't have them at all? Or can't tell what these are? What if I just remove them completely? Save that. Refresh. Compile. They're set to none anyway, so... Hey! There we go. I get why the shaft mesh was unknown because there was this, but what about the open mesh? I don't know. Doesn't really matter because errors are gone. So that's good. We can close that now. Probably arguing you because of the none. Yep. Now to cook and test. Go over here, cook the mod. That's gonna open up another log. Gonna wait for that to execute. And on test. Close command prompt, test the mod. And I recommend making new save file for testing. Yep. Cooking mods only. Clicking the weapon test. Startup object determination disabled. Separate lighting editor. Group. Mine is probably also going to be ridiculously giant. And Blender, scale it down again. Re-import skeletal mesh. And we'll update it. Then you can test it again. Okay, that's good. No errors, no warnings. And once that's done, we've cooked. Now we can click test mod. And that is going to open up Hat in Time. which is going to take quite a while to load. In the meantime, let me take a look at setting up a hat flare. Okay, similar thing. Download a hat. Add an armature to it. Connect it with automatic weights. Oh, that was actually faster than I expected. Okay, let's make sure we're on file 2. If I go here, we're not going to have it. Hold on. What do you mean I don't have my weapon? Tesla. Okay, I did something wrong. Tesla. Church. Rift Roulette. Do I need to go over and try and spend some tokens? Or actually, maybe I should look in Mod Manager. It's not in here, is it? Even if it is, I don't think I'll find it. Okay. How about in here? Have the die test. Weapon test is enabled. So why don't I have it? Cook mod, test mod, title screen, spaceship. Title screen. Square mod icon. Why isn't that refresh? No. Well, time to go back. What did I mess up here? Task contains... Okay, contains a weapon is already there. Yeah. So how come I don't have it? Let me go through our files. Okay, we made 3. We have the collectibles, which is the weapons. This one is weapon name. Okay. Underscore mod. So this is the same as this. Underscore mod, got a sword. Extends game mod. Config mods. On mod loaded. Actor. At player give item true. Yeah. That is true. This is true. But because of this one, I copy this entire function. That it looks the same. Other than this part. Make loadout item, static, add loadout class. That should all be the same. Okay, let's replace this. And on mod unloaded. Give item false. Yeah, that didn't change anything. And for this one, there shouldn't be anything wrong with this either. Name object. This is for the object itself. Yeah, if there was anything wrong, then it would have been here. Because this is the actual thing that'll give me the object. Architecture. That icon. That's nothing. Don't know why. Okay, let's refresh, recompile everything. That's done. that looks fine. You want to square mod icon. That should be I think that's right. But when I cooked it last time, it didn't give me that one. Paste the name of the file, full name of the mesh, same as what the preview mesh uses for your material. Line 6. Yeah, that was that. Line 11. If it's a problem with the mesh, then that's not what's happening, because I just don't have the thing. I don't have the weapon at all. Name it something. Real name and description added in the collectibles int file, which is there. Line 2 is name, 3 is description. Compiled, we're cooking it. It's still cooking. Is there anything in the comments? Hatching the bone. Yep. We definitely did that. Declaration, physics, cooking, lilac weapon test. You can't cook because there are no source compress. Oh, that's the rare sticker alert, so that didn't matter at all. Okay. Once again. Oh, that's for the mod itself, never mind. We haven't added a mod icon. I test it again. And then there we go. Upload an icon is in here. Okay, and then that's just pick an image. Well, but what I want to do is for this to actually work. Okay, hat in time is loading. Hat in Time has loaded. Da, da, da. We could just create a new file, but... Or we could do... I think this is a copy of that I was using. No, let's just go back to this one. That's gonna do that. We're here. Why is it? It's just not adding it to the game at all. I am testing the mod, right? Yeah. It is there. It's just not giving me the weapon. It's not there because it's not a level. It is here. It's not collectibles. Interesting. It's in the miscellaneous folder. Okay. Does it have something to do with the files themselves? Browse. Content localization. Go back up here. And then, okay, so create the classes, localization, and it should have looked like this. We have that, we have that. We have this in the localization folder, which had the collectibles.int. Collectibles. And I definitely spelled that right. File extensions are on already. Go into the classes folder, which has these two. Mod plus weapon name underscore weapon. What am I doing wrong? Script on this one. Is it something to do with how I did this? No, I copy pasted that. this should be fine. Yeah, other than like the weapon name. Underscore. Name of the other file we created, which is this one. Looks like underscore weapon. That's so why is it not? Double check, copy these. On mod loaded. You do that. And the only thing, nothing changed. Wait. Default properties. Extends. Add weapon underscore umbrella. Sure, this is dash hard weapon. Add weapon underscore umbrella. Okay. Everything else is the same. That actually. Add weapon umbrella. No, that shouldn't have changed anything. Lip. Person lipstick. Oh, whoops. Make sure we reopen those. Alright. There's this one. You know that mean why doesn't go to I want it to do? Coding hard. We have the content. We have the localization. Save changes. Is it even reading the classes? Content packages. We have content and we have the localization. Does classes need to be here? Or is that just something that it's not going to look at? No. Yeah, that's its own folder. Okay, I think I'm going to have to where's that video? Let's grab this. Where are you? Do all that. Gonna do all those. Do I need to do anything once it's like loaded in? So they're in the game and they already have the storm. They're using the same model that I am. Actually, I think that was them after resizing it. Yeah, it should be there. There we go. Let's go back. This is the first time that they opened it. And time is gonna load. Going to be there. They're going to switch to the weapon. Okay, but then it's there anyway. Let's see, icon. Where do they start coding? Right here. Am I even going to be able to finish this before it's time for us to stop? Is this really HD? It's so blurry. That's them just taking a picture of it. Adding the texture. Coding was done way earlier. Let me move this actually. So where? don't know. It's gotta be one of these. Oh, let me trusted window. There we go. Now everything is color coded. We've gone through all of that. Scripting. Does it need to be this material? No, it's for this. Now. It's been like half an hour and we've made no progress. Get the full name of the model. File Explorer. Content folder. Create classes and localization. We did that. We did the INT folder and the text file. Yeah. Oh. Yep. Content. No, that was localization. INT. And that's collectibles. Then from there, we have the classes and these two files. And they're definitely UC files. UC, right? Yeah. And your content. And that is the text that we need. Extends. Kmod. In the mods. Getting closer and closer. I don't feel like we are. I've like double, triple checked this stuff. I just don't know why it's not loading in game. Give item true. Give item true. How's it going? Not very well. Made like no progress. We don't have any errors, but when I click the test mod, it's just not giving me the item at all. Which might be this. But I've like copied this one straight from it. Function give bool b. Yeah. I could. I don't know what this is. It will be. I assume it's something within like Add and time stuff. What if... What if we just comment all of this out? No, actually it might be easier to just get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of that. What if there's just no option for the give item to be false? And also remove this. On mod unloaded, give item is false. At the end, false by default. Maybe, but like, that's what's here. Should I actually, instead of this, let's make this true. If be true, if this, then also true, I guess. Item, give item. Refresh, recompile. Is that going to throw out any errors? Because if it doesn't, then we'll test the mod again with no false. Okay, that's saved. We can cook that. API might have changed, maybe. Yeah, we'll try it with true. I want to get this working before I stop. Yeah, we'll alter the menu. I mean, maybe. I've tried looking at it. Like, the mod is there. It is enabled. But whenever I try to find it in my weapons, it's not there. I should have a PC that can handle the game okay. Wish you did too. And maybe we could play together. No? No, it did not like me clicking off of it. Okay, that'll take a minute. Almost done. There we go. That, whoops. Oh, what did I just do? Selected everything. that enables us to test the mod. Test. That's gonna take some minutes to open. Right, 2022. Let's see. Unsolved reference. We don't have that kind of thing. Run into those warnings. Mine is fine. Trying to give it a custom icon in the pause menu. Okay, but that means they are able to find it in the pause menu, I think. We could always try opening up just a new at a time. Oh, it worked, and the icon is there. Actually, looks not bad. Of course, it is pretty huge. Oh, and we also wanted it to be not a stick. Okay, let's fix the model's size first. How big does it need to be? How big is the umbrella? That's about the length of a hat kid. We do not want a hook shot. So let's say about the length of what the handle is right now. Gigantic sword. Okay, actually to desktop. We want to re-import, so open up the Blender file. Good thing I kept that open. Get used to how it controls. Let's select all, scale it down. Oh, actually, scale it down. I select this. Is it going to? Yeah, it is. Okay. Hopefully setting the origin there doesn't mess with anything too much. So we want to scale it down at about where the handle ends, which is here-ish. Okay. That's like seven grid spaces. And then we want to re-export it. Export as FBX. Yeah, export that. Minimize that. Go over to our content browser. Select the skeletal mesh. What is it? Right click the model and then here we go. And then re-import skeletal mesh. Okay. Is that fine? I hope it's fine. Time to test. Go in Blender, scale it down, export as same file name as type. Then in editor, yeah, okay. That should be good. Save everything just to double check. Then we want to go here. Save, refresh. I don't think it had anything to do with the scripts, but I'm going to compile those anyway. Shouldn't I be scaling in edit? Oh. You know, probably. Well, we'll hope that doesn't mess with anything too much. Had so many people in stream today, yeah. That raid really boosted the numbers. Thank you, by the way, to everyone who joined in with the raid. Okay. Save those. Recook the mod. And looks like we unfortunately won't be getting to the hat flare today. Oh, I probably should have. Oh well. There was something over here about the hook shot. Yeah, right here. Place line 10 of weapon name weapon. Line 10 on this one. Which is what would that be? Line 10 is this. With the full name of the weapon model in the scripting section. Wanted this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, that would have been end object. Where is this line 10 you speak of? Or are you talking about the actual lines? Yeah, thanks. Maybe it's this one. Oh well. I'll worry about it next time. Or just off stream when why did I close that? Reopen. And also, is... Shoot. I closed a lot of things. Let's see. There we go. That's done. So we can close it. And we can test mod. Wish you knew Blender. Well, if your computer can run it, then never too late to learn. It is free, so... If I do continue making like all this custom stuff, then I'm definitely going to get into making Blender objects, because I don't want to just keep downloading from the internet. We'll make our own weapon or costume. Okay, that's loaded. And let me do this. Ready for the hydrate time. Okay, how'd that? Yay! Much better. What to do about that hook shot? You drew a face mask on that. Oh yeah, I did. Let's go beat up a ghost with it. Unfortunately, I don't have a seal the deal, or I don't have the death wishes open on this, but we can still go over here. I should probably close all of those other tabs because I am lagging so much. Come on. Close that. And the editor as well. Let me just do that. Don't save those. And I was saying it wasn't going well. Well, it wasn't at the moment. We don't need to save that. Pause that. Make sure my sound is up. I has a sword and I'm not afraid to use it. Oh, right. I did one thing that I planned to do today, and we got it to work. I'm happy about that. Oh, we even slash in the right direction, so I don't need to rotate it again. Oop. Splash. I think for when I do the hat flare, I'm going to make the hat myself. So I don't know what I'm going to make, so feel free to give suggestions. Oop. Wahaha. The attack. Oh, that lighting. Okay. Let's close that. Beanie with cat ears poking out. That already exists in the ice hat. So we could make a variation on that. Okay, let's close all that. Switch to here. And there we go. Thank you very much to everyone who stopped by, said hi, who came with the raid, who followed, just everything. Okay. Oh, whoops. Bumped the mic. Sorry. Let's see here. Oh, thank you very much, Jamesy Cakes, for the stream, for the follow. You're welcome. So stick around while I find someone to raid. His sibling slid in to say hi. Oh. I say hi back. Yeah. Let's see who to raid today. Let's go. Someone new or someone we follow. What are you? I'm looking at some arts. Diary. Your dashboard. Let's get that ready to go. Yeah, okay. Let's raid this person. They're doing some art. PNG tuber. Sorry. Seems pretty chill. And yeah. This is my last scheduled stream of the week. So I'll see y'all in a couple days. Thank you once again for coming by and watching, lurking, all that stuff. And yeah, I bid everyone a good night, morning, evening, afternoon, daytime, whenever, wherever you are. And take care. Have a good one. I'll see y'all next time. Thank you, and bye bye.